Good morning, sixth grade. Today I'm going to go over our last assignment for Chapter 10. Chapter 10 seems like it's taking forever. It is a little bit longer than some of our other chapters. So our last lesson is Lesson 6. And this is just kind of a summary of Rome's legacy. So you're going to read a little bit about some of the different things that the Romans developed in science, engineering. I mean, some of their structures that they built are still up today and even still being used, like their aqueducts and stuff. So it's kind of amazing that they were able to build things thousands of years ago that are still standing. So you're going to read about science, engineering. See, you can still see some of these aqueducts today. It's pretty neat. Um, look at the Colosseum. The Colosseum is in pretty rough shape today, but it is still, for the most part, standing. It has taken a lot of damage, um, especially with World War I and World War II. You're also going to read about Roman art and also the plays that the Romans wrote and books, and just their influence on everything: literature, language, um, modern languages like Italian, Spanish. All of that comes from the Latin language that the Romans spoke. So, I mean, we're still using a lot of what the Romans created for us even today. And then you're going to read about their influence on law. And so when you're done reading this section, I want you guys to do just numbers 1 through 5 on page 376. This is going to be due on Tuesday. Wednesday through Friday, I'm going to put up a video for you guys to watch. It's called What the Ancients Knew, the Romans. And it's the same host. We saw a video that he made about ancient Egypt. So he's going to travel through Rome and show you different Roman inventions, different things that they built, how they built it, how they managed to do it without modern technology. I added a YouTube link to it because the version that I have that I would show you in the classroom is kind of blurry and not the best quality. So I found one on YouTube that's a little bit better quality. So you guys can watch that. And basically what I want you to do is I want you to just look for, as you're watching the video, you're going to pick 3 inventions that the video talks about that the Romans made. And then I want you to tell me, it'll be in a Google Doc for you. I want you to tell me, why they invented it and then how it still helps us today. And that's going to be something that you do Wednesday through Friday. I'll do on Friday. And then Friday, you guys will also take your quiz on lesson 6. I'll post a review video during the week for that. So this week's going to be a pretty easy week for social studies. You'll just have lesson 6 work and 1 quiz to complete, and then a video to watch and a short Google Doc to complete for the video. If any of you are missing anything, please go back and submit it. We only have like 4 weeks of school left. Okay, the May 29th is going to be our last day of collecting grades because you guys are going to start returning your supplies the last 3 days of the year. So if you have anything that you need to make up, now's your chance to get it in. I would strongly suggest if you have any missing tests or quizzes, do those first. Remember, they're all open book and open review. If you can't find the reviews for them, email me and I'll gladly tell you when I posted them, because that will help bring up your grades a lot if you're missing tests or quizzes, because those are really going to be hurting your grades. So if you guys have any questions about your grades, if you want to know what you can do to bring them up, email me. Many of you are doing a great job, so let's just keep it up for the next few weeks and finish strong. But if any of you want to bring up your grades, and it's not just for my classes, any classes, it is not too late, and contact your teachers and we'll gladly help you, okay? All right, I hope everybody's well. And as always, if you have any questions, email me.